In this tutorial, I will show you how to add numbers and bullets in your list in PowerPoint presentation. Hello everyone, this is Lucy and let's get to the video without any delay. So first I have this list in my agenda. So there are 5 lists. I just want to change my bulleting style. So I will click on my text and select all of these. Here in the Home tab, there is a ribbon called Paragraph. At the top, you will see bullets. If you click on this arrow, you will see all of the other options of bullets. So if you hover it, you can see the changes in your text below. So that's the bullets option. So if you want something else, if you want numbering in your text, then just go ahead and select your text, go to paragraph ribbon again, and next to bullets there is a numbering. Just click on this arrow and you'll see all different kinds of numbering here. Here we have numbers, Roman numbers, alphabets, capital and both small. So these are all the bullets and numberings we have in PowerPoint presentation. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more upcoming videos.